Hey everyone, today I'm gonna tackle in this video why you guys cannot speak English and the mistakes you make. And I did make as well these mistakes when I started learning English, and you should not make if you want to start learning English right now, or if you already started learning English and you're making these mistakes, you should avoid. And there is two things you need to know if you really want to learn English. So let's get started. So we're gonna start first mistakes. There's two mistakes we do more often while we learning English. So the first one is you don't give yourself freedom, like which is afraid of failing, making mistakes, which is you just don't want to give yourself freedom. You don't want to make mistakes. You just want to start speaking English, learning English, and pop. You want to speak English fluently or without mistake. So first, you need to give yourself a freedom to make mistakes, and then that is how you're gonna learn English. And wherever you make mistake, or while you're talking to a person and you see making mistakes, or even they tell you, "Hey, this is not correct. This is error sentences, or your statement is incorrect," or they don't understand you and said, "I don't know what you're saying because your English is not correct. You're using incorrect statements." You don't need to judge yourself and just feel bad and I make mistakes, so I cannot keep speaking English. You don't need to do that. You just need to give yourself freedom to make mistakes. When you make mistakes, that means you're really learning. So because if you don't make mistakes, that means you're not trying. If you just stop here and don't want to speak English, you're not gonna make mistake probably, and that is what you self want. So just give yourself freedom and make mistakes, if on purpose. That is how you're gonna learn speaking English. So the second one is don't compare yourself to others. Whatever you see do your friend or one of like people you watch speaking English so good, their grammar, whatever they speak is so perfect, do not feel bad or compare to yourself and say, "Oh, this person I've been learning English and this person he already speaking so fluently. Why I cannot speak English?" You have your own journey, you have your own system, you have your own mind. You don't need to compare to yourself to others. There's a lot of people, they just start to making video. They've been learning English years, and when they become fluently, they just make videos and they saying, "Oh, I become fluently just 3 months," or "I become fluent just 6 months." And a lot of people they believe that that videos or what that person say. That person is just making video, and he may learn English almost over 10 years, or he just been learning English 5 years, and you just here start to learning English and comparing to yourself to that person. Or you just learning English, you have been learning English last 3 months, and there is here a dude saying, "I become fluent in 3 months," and you say, "Oh, I've been learning English for a month and I'm not fluent. I'm not even speaking English." So do not compare yourself to others. You have your own journey. You have your own system. You can copy people the way they learn English. If you see a person who improving his English pretty faster than you can copy his system. You can ask him, "Your English improving so fast. Can you tell me something that you do and I should also do as well to improve my English?" You can copy them and use their system, but do not compare to them to your English, the way they speak or the way they become fluent. They have their own journey and they might been doing that for years. So you just see the person is speaking English, but really you don't know how long they have been going through or they've been learning the language. So just be yourself and just focus on your journey, and that's how you're gonna speak. Your time will come. So just keep doing the way you can change your system or anything, but do not compare to yourself to others. That is the that is, so let's jump. That is the mistakes. That is the two mistake. Do not compare to yourself to others, and give yourself freedom to make mistakes and to learn the language, how to speak. So let's start with the solution. There's two things that you must know. The first one, start speaking from day one. Like a lot of people, when we learn in English, we want to become fluently Like we want to know grammar, we want to know how to write, how to listen completely, and then we just focus on grammar or whatever word is memorizing so many things, and later we just believe when we memorize all this, we will become we will start to learn English like automatically. That's not make sense. You must start speaking from day one. The moment you start learning English, the second, just use what you know. If you know how are you, repeat that again all the day and just start speaking. You should not wait to the day you memorize thousand words or master grammar or that is all not make sense. Speaking English is a skill and you need to build it on. You need to focus on speaking and that is how it is. So just start speaking English. If you cannot, of course, if you are a beginner, you cannot able to speak English very well, but just try your best. Speak English. Focus on speaking. So the last one is uh, you learn speaking English by really doing speaking. You do not speak English by listening podcasts. You do not speak English by reading books, by like making shadowing, learning grammar. You learn how to speak English by starting speaking and practicing and put your effort to speak in English. So do not believe if you listen podcasts every single day, you will automatically speak English or if you memorize grammar, you will automatically speak English. If you learn grammar and you start speaking English at the same time, you may speak a correct English and just that is how it is. But if you memorize grammar, whole of grammar, you're not gonna speak English. You speak English by really doing speaking. Just start speaking and that is how you're going to speak English. Even if you do not learn grammar, you would speak English. Because for me, I never learn grammar and I do speak English. So the way I learn speaking English is because I do speaking every single day. Whenever I have time, I practice my English, and that is how I learn speaking English. So, guys, that is the 4 point. Speak English from day one. You speak English by really doing speaking. That is the two things you must do, and you must know as well. And that is our video, guys. I hope you like. That is how I improved my speaking, and I've been just learning English 8 months, 9 months or something. So to really speak English at this point right now, the way I speak English, I know I do make many mistakes because my grammar isn't that good, but I'm really grateful that I can speak English and I'm able to even share friends or people how I learn English and my journey, my progress. So that is quite impressive and I'm proud of that. So guys, that is our video. That's the video is about just speaking English. So I hope you like this video and tell me at the comment if you have any idea or anything you would ask in my progress or how I learn English, what makes me speak English or the reason just let me know anything about in your head you want to ask me. Let me know at the comments. I will probably answer. So subscribe to my channel to see more video and learn English with me. So have a good one, guys.